So these three Lego tractors came out in sets that were like classic building sets in the 1970s. Now, one of the sets is 911 and the other is 400. You can see with the faceless minifigures and how they've got each of them kind of separated to make it look like they're sitting down. We've got a trailer on one, and then we've got this odd thing, which I wouldn't even think it was a tractor if the whole build around it didn't involve a farm scene and farm animals. But yeah, 1970s Lego tractors. Trying to be a Lego tractor completionist, you got to have these.